Here's some PSR turbos or Pulsar turbos, whatever you want to call them. I'll just do a quick unboxing. As you can see, one's basically like a precision 6262, the other one's like a precision 6862. Or equivalents, Garrett's would be a G35-900 and a G35-1050. So, and one of them has the T51R mod. So we'll just do a quick unboxing with no knife and some lovely scissors. This isn't easy with one hand, but we'll manage. There we go. So, what do you get in the box? Oh. Oh. Well, instructions about fittings, I guess, installation. It's pretty good. My Xona doesn't even have that. Oh, here's the first one. Oh, geez. They've given us some goodies, so I'll throw them down there. That's pretty cool. Let's see. Oh, looks like a banner. Also got in here, a couple of small ones, so we'll get them on somebody's cart. So here's the first one. It does have a tie wrap around it. Let's see if I can cut that off quickly. So I don't think these used to come with a little here we go. Oh, it's not gonna be easy one hand. I'll get it out of there. There's the box down, ignore my feet. They're both B-band. I think it's .83 ARs all round. I'm covering the camera. Actually looks really, really good quality for something that's half the price I got at a Precision. Wow, look at that. I'll go into the specs of these a little bit later on, but here we go. That's the basically G35-900 or a 6262. Let's have a look at the other side. It comes with all the fittings as well, which is good. It's solid turbo, which is not like it. Some of these cheaper turbos are. And there's the exhaust housing. Try flip it upside down. There's the exhaust. So that's one. And we'll get on to the next one. So just so you don't have to go through me struggling with the box, here's the larger one. This one is the one with the T51R mod. So as you can see, this is machined all the way out to the edge. Very much the same. Rear exhaust housing is exactly the same size, so it's just the front, but that's T51R mod. I'll just grab the other one. You can see it's back in the box. It doesn't come all the way out, so T51R mods obviously they sound like the old HKS T51Rs, so this one's got it, the other one doesn't. It is available in the other one. You can get to pretty much any turbo, but there we go. We'll go into the details of these in 2 seconds. Right guys, you've seen them unboxed. Now I've got them both laying in front of us. So I'll just put the covers back on so no dust or whatever or debris can get in. No, that's dusty, but we do have little pooches here. So I don't want their hair going all over the place. So one on the left, PSR's named them funny. They're now using like millimeter sizes for the turbos. So this one's a 6262. What they also call is an AKA, I got it G35-900. This 6862. Again, they go AKA, I got it G35-1050. It must just be for comparisons reasons, so you know what you're buying, being a different band or whatever. But I'm actually really, for the price of these turbos, I'm really surprised the quality of this. It's excellent. So a little bit about spec. As I mentioned, this one, standard housing, this is what it come out with. Additionally, if you want the T51R mod, this one's got the T51R mod, so it would come in a little bit cheaper without a T51R mod, but you'd lose the sound. So these are designed to sound like the old HKS turbos back in the JDM days. You'd hear in Supras making a big whistle. I'll insert a quick clip with a whistle. Right, we backed it. So these are all based off of Garrett G series. I think they just started naming them similar to Precision because everybody's using millimeters now. Xona's a little bit different, but still the same. They name their rear housing. So if I remember correctly, I can't remember the pound flow in this one, but this one's about a 90 pound flow. It's a little bit smaller. The exhaust housing's a tiny little bit smaller than the Precision 6870 and the Xona's with the 69 rear. So they are a little bit smaller. Probably won't make quite as much peak horsepower, but they still make bags of power. These are both, because they're G series, they both got 9-wheeled billet compressor wheels. I can't remember the extruder sizes. And the rear are both Inconel 9-wheeled as well. And they're dual ball bearing. They're both ceramic ball bearings, so they should spool really fast. You know, if this turbo is still about, I am going to compare it to Xona, and I will put it on a dyno and compare it to Xona. But other than that, that is it. As I said, the quality is bar none. So they're bolted and then V-banded here. They come with water fittings. There's a bag in the box as well. And it comes with fittings, V-bands and everything. So everything comes with it. There is other variations. You get the GTX 3584, the GTX 3582. They do Borg Warner sizing like an S400, S300 series. So they literally, PSR, they've got millions and millions of options. So, you know, if you need any turbos, you know, they're like 50% the price of a Precision or a Garrett or a Xona exact. So they're value for money bar none. And honestly, I'll do a video comparing it to my Xona. These actually have the speed sensor port. I know the Xona doesn't. I can't remember the Precisions off the top of my head. It's been a while since I've held a Precision. But yeah, I'm absolutely amazed with the quality of these. These are top notch, and I can't wait to see what they're going. So anybody in Thailand want to get cracking with these, give me a shout. You know, I'd really like to get the bigger one, the 73, 75. If somebody's got a Supra, you know, get in touch, and I'd love to see that on a Supra and a 2JZ, or even a 1JZ. I'd like to see what it do, but it need to be a cammed up, well built, you know, JZ. But I would like to see it. But yeah, I guess next video will probably be me comparing this to an Xona. Won't be on the dyno yet because my E was still getting built, but because they're similar sizes, I can make a setup and it should just bolt into place, and I could do a back-to-back comparison. If not on this one, if this one's gone, you know, I'll get another one in and do a back-to-back comparison. Hopefully, dyno, same dyno and everything, but it wouldn't be maybe even the same day. But my car's a long way from getting built. But there we go. This concludes me rambling on about turbos for a while. I don't think I've missed anything, but if I have, you know, you can ask a question. Drop me an email, drop anything, you know. I'll answer the best I can to these, but kind of regret maybe spending all that money, but we'll see when I've seen how good these are. But thanks very much for watching. It's just a rambling video really, but here's the turbos and they look great.